if you can relax your body, you can relax your mind. And when you relax your body and your mind, you get healing right away. So take some time to really feel your body and feel your body is here. Sometimes we forget our body. The body here is made with the 4 elements. The earth in our body have elements, the earth and the water, the breathing, the air, right? And the energy, the warmthness in our body. So we get in touch with the 4 elements in the body, and we get in touch with our hearts and connect to all the internal organs in the body, okay? To heal, to relax, and to let go. But at the same time, to connect to our mind. Sometimes we check our mind, where is my mind? Because we are so busy and we are over places. We have a lot of thinking, a lot of thoughts, worry about ourselves in the past, worry about ourselves in the future. That's why these moments help us to bring your mind back to the body, to reconnect again, to unify the whole body and mind, okay? So it helps you to calm the body, to feel your belly, reconnect to the Mother Earth and to the body, okay? Breathe in, deep, out, slow. Place your 2 palms in front of your lower abdomen. Relax your knees a little bit, loose your knees just a little bit. Feel the Mother Earth. You feel your lower, the 2 feet on the ground. Connect to the Mother Earth solidly. You feel the rising when you breathe in, the abdomen. Falling when you breathe out, your abdomen. Open your palm, breathe in, out. And then open your palm this way, V-shape. The V-shape this way is rest moment. To open your palms, to relax your palm, but at the same time to feel you are solid as a tree. You are in the center of your cosmos, free. Yeah. The second movement, open arms. Breathe in. I join my palm and feel with the full of the air with my chest. Okay. Out breath through my mouth. Let it go. Open my heart and stretch my shoulders. Inhale. Deep. Exhale. Slow. In, out. You open your elbows, the shoulders maximum. Inhale, exhale. In, out. Out. In. Out. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. That's wonderful. You press your hands up. Breathe in. Turn around. Out. I bring my mind back to the body. I feel at ease and relax in the present moment. Open my palms. Let it go all worries, tensions, fear. Be confident with your body. I feel my palms, my feet, my heart. Massage 2 hands beside of your hands. Yeah, 2 sides like that. And then we go to another hand. When you massage your two hands like this, your elbows, your hands, shoulders, help you to strengthen your heart and your lungs, internal organs. Okay, next. 5 fingers together, right hand, left palm on your lower abdomen. And then you can use right hand to click to the left chest and shoulders. There is a connection between the shoulders and your left chest. Strengthen your heart and make your heart stronger. You click 20 times and more, and then you change to the other side. Yeah, right side. For your lungs. That's good. Left hand, right hand holding your left palm together. And breathe in and out for 3 times. You relax your wrist. So this one can strengthen your wrist and make your palm stronger. After 3 times of breathing, you can put down this way and also hold back. Breathe in and out 3 times. Right hand, left hand holding back. Do you realize that your 2 hands working together? Wisdom of non-discrimination. 2 hands support together. Breathe in, breathe out. And you can strengthen your wrist, your palms. Put down, hold back. That's good. Breathe in.